Hello student, good morning. I hope you are fine and you are ready to study well and prepare well about your maths basic or standard to secure your 100 marks. Okay student, now see assertion and reason based question I have sent you in first video. Now I am going to send question number second. Question number second, assertion A, if SCF 336 and 44 is 6, then LCM 336 54 is 3000. Student, as in assertion it is given A, if SCF of 336 and 54 is 6, then LCM of 336 54 is 3000. Reason, you see reason R, the sum of exponent, the sum of exponents of prime factors in the prime factorization of prime factorization of 196 is 4. Okay student, now I am going to explain your answer. Okay, you see explanation. The sum explanation, let us consider the assertion. Since we know that SCF multiplication of SCF and LCM is equal to the multiplication of the two numbers. If there are two numbers, then this statement is correct. The product of LCM and LCM of two number is equal to the product of the number, equal to the product of numbers. This is formula. If two numbers are given, then this is a correct, that product of two numbers is equal to product of their LCM and product of their LCM. If two numbers are there, then you first find the SCF and find the LCM, and you find the product of LCM and SCF and LCM. Then this product will equal to the product of the numbers. Okay, so you must know this formula. And now according to given assertions, 6 into LCM equal to 3 into into 36, 336 into 44, 54. It is given. Here you know, assertion say if HCF of 33654 is 6, then HCF is given here what? 6. It is given here. Okay. So 6 into LCM equal to product of two numbers. Product of two numbers. Okay. Then you find LCM equal to 336 into 54 upon 6. Then you will see 6 9 ja 54. Then you multiply 336 by 9. 9 6 ja 54. 9 3 ja 27 and 5. What will be? 32. Carries 3. 9 3 ja 27 and 2 29. Once again you multiply. 9 6 ja 54. Carries 5. 9 3 ja 27 and 5. 32. Carries 3. 9 3 ja 27 and carries 3. That will be what? 30 30. Okay, student. So LCM is here 3024. LCM is 3024. But you see here in region R, the sum of here, then LCM 33654 is 3000. It is given here. Thus assertion is incorrect. Assertion is incorrect because after calculation you have LCM 3024, but it is given here the LCM 336 and 54 is 3000. So it is not correct. It is not correct because LCM of these two is 3024. So student, thus इस प्रकार the assertion is incorrect. Okay, incorrect. Now let us consider. Now let us consider the region. The region. Now prime factor of 196 equal to 196 is equal to prime factor is 4 into 49. Now see 4 9 ja 36, 4 9 ja 36, carries 3, 4 4 ja 16 and 3 19. So the 196 will have two factor 4 and 49, such that we can write it as 4 as in its square form, 2 square, and 49 also in square of 7. So the factor of 196 is written as 2 square into 7 square. Okay. Now therefore the sum of exponent, the sum of exponent is 2 2 and 2 7 base. Okay, the sum of exponent 2 and 2, exponent of prime factors equal to 2 plus 2 equal to 4. So the region is correct. Region is correct. It is given in the question. You see, region are the sum of exponents of prime factor in the prime factorization of 196 is 4 given, and you have see 196 factor 4 into 49. 4 is written as 2 square, 49 written as 7 square. Though the sum of exponents are 2 and 2, The sum of exponents here 2 plus 2 is 4. So the region is correct. Okay. Thus assertion is incorrect but region is correct. Then in this case, what is your answer? In this case, what is your answer? If assertion is incorrect and region is correct, then your answer will be D. Your option will be D. Okay, your option will be D. A is false, R is true. A is false, R is true. Okay, student, I hope you have understood these questions clearly, and you see the next question. Question number 2. Now, student, question number 3. Assertion A HCF up to or more. Question number 3 assertion A HCF up to or more numbers is equal to product of the smallest power of each common prime factor. Involved in the numbers. Okay, you read the assertions. A HCF of 2 or more numbers equal to product of the smallest power of each common prime factor involved in these numbers. A region R the HCF of 12, 21 and 15. The HCF of 12, 21 and 15 is 3. The HCF of 12, 21 and 15 is 3. Okay, student. Now read the assertions and the reason both correctly. Now explanation will be there. I am going to explain your answer, and then you will decide your option. Okay, you see explanation. Let A square and AQ. Here is given the HCF 2 or more numbers. So there is a need to take 2 or more than 2, 1, 2, 3. B 3 numbers. B 3 numbers. Then we have the smallest power. We have the smallest power of a square and a cube. Student, you are looking here a square, a cube. These 2, 3 powers are looking, but the power of a is not looking. So where there is no power, then you can say 1 is power. Okay, 1 is power. Then we have the smallest power in these 3. What is the smallest power in these 3? 1. The smallest power in these 3 is what? 1. 1. 1. Okay. So the SCF is A. You read once again. Assertion A. SCF of 2 or more numbers equal to product of the smallest power of each common prime factors involved in the number. So a square, a3 be the 3 numbers. The smallest power where? A to the power a. Then we have the smallest power of a1, a2, a square, a cube is 1. So the SCF is a. SCF will be a. You read once again. The SCF of 2 or more number is equal to product of the smallest power. Product of the smallest power of each common prime factor involved in the number. So you are looking, this a has the smallest power. So the SCF is a. SCF is a. Now let us consider region. Let us consider the region. Prime factor of 12 equal to 2 square into 3. Any 4 3 ja. We can write here 2 into 2 into 3 also. Okay. Prime factor of 21. Prime factor of 21 equal to 3 into 7. Now prime factor of 15. What? 3 into 5. Hence SCF of 12, 21 and 15 equal to what? You see 3, which is a common prime factor. Thus both assertion and region are correct. Okay. And region is the correct in above explanation. Both assertion and region are correct, and region is the correct explanation for assertion. Okay. The students, your option will be, in this case your option will be what you have studied. If the assertions and region both are correct, if both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of assertion, then in this case your option is A. your option is correct. Okay student, I hope you have understood. Thank you. Next explanation based solution you will get in next video. Thank you.